Let me show you how I made these delicious chicken taquitos with spinach and cream cheese. Not only are these easy to make, but you will definitely love them. In my pot, I have some water. I added some chicken breast with a piece of onion, salt, and some bay leaves. I let that cook for about 20 minutes. Once it's done, I'm going to remove it from the pot. I'm going to add the chicken to my stand mixer. You can definitely just do this all by hand. To this, I'm going to add seasonings, onion powder, garlic powder, and some lemon pepper. Then I'm adding the cream cheese and a bag of spinach. I'm going to just mix this until it's all mixed in together. And when you're done, you should get your mixture looking like this. Now for the tortillas, I'm using Guerrero. These are the best kind of tortillas. I'm getting some on a paper towel, wrapping it up, place it in my microwave for 1 minute. After I took it out the microwave, I am separating these tortillas because they will stick together. And then it's time to just add the filling. I'm just adding as much filling as I want. I'm going to roll that up and just continue with the rest of the tortillas. By now, I do have my oil heating up on the stove. And I'm just going to start placing these. There is no need to add toothpicks on this because actually they just close by themselves. And once they are nice and golden brown from the bottom, I'm going to flip it and do the same to the other side. And once they have become nice and golden brown and crispy, I'm going to remove it and just place it on my rack here so that the oil drains. And then I'm just going to continue with the rest of my taquitos. They are all done and it is time to serve. This is how I like to serve it. You can add whatever toppings that you like. I like to add some shredded lettuce, some diced tomato, some cotija cheese, and I made a salsa de aguacate. Super delicious. Save this recipe because you'll love it. Enjoy.